Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in high tunnel number 2, and we're going this video is about what tomato seeds we're going to plant. I got my little co-star over here from Rumbingen, so that's Dixie, just ignore her. We're going to talk about what tomato seeds we're going to start. And I got a new little product I'm going to try. I happened to see it at Tractor Supply yesterday. I know we're getting about a week late start on this, but of course I've been down the back, and I've been laid up for about a week, so we're getting back at it though. So this right here, you know, I've planted some beets or seeded some beets about 3 weeks ago. Never came up, so I poured them in here and in this tub, and I don't know if I got some bad seed. I mean, none of them germinated. So I don't know if I got some bad seed or, see right there's one, never did anything. Or I did something wrong. I mean, all you need is dirt, water, and air, right? Light. Really, for germination, you don't even need light. So, I don't know. I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna throw this dirt out. I'm not gonna reuse it. And I'll try some more here in a different minute. But anyway, oh, and also, you know, we planted our early girls the other day, and I don't know, something came in here and been eating them, and I don't know what it is. First I thought it was a cutworm, but I think it's too cold for cutworms still, and so now I don't know if it's a rabbit coming in here or some kind of, you know, rodent or something. We just got 2 of those left, but we still got some stems left, so they'll come on. Let's walk over and look at them real quick. Well, I have one stem come up, and this one. This right here, so they cut it. And I got one back there. I think it'll come on, so. I almost think it's a rabbit because I got some of this stuff and I don't know what I did with it. Been using this in the past. It's kind of like a thing you get at Home Depot. It's supposed to repel rabbits and raccoons, deers, everything under the sun is supposed to repel. So I've been sprinkling some of that around it, and they ain't been coming back anymore. So it makes me think it's either a rabbit or some kind of rodent or something. And but I got some more I'm gonna plant. We're gonna clean this out tomorrow, hopefully. I mean, we've had a lot of bad weather too. I don't know if we'll start here and then high tunnel number 1, but we're gonna start and get them cleaned out and get it ready, and we're gonna have to get serious here. But here's the tomatoes I'm gonna start from seed this year, and this is a new one for me. It's a red deuce. These are really made, I think, for a high tunnel, so this will go in the high tunnel. It's a 72-day tomato, and this is new. This is another new one called Sunny Boy, and it's a yellow tomato. And usually I've always for years grown Carolina Gold, so I'm just going to try something different. Cherry tomato, not a big deal. Here's my old favorite. This is a Celebrity Plus. I'll be starting these with seeds. Here's one I grew last fall that I'm really impressed with. It's called a Camaro. It's a hybrid. I planted them back here, and we got tomatoes all the way up to October, but you don't have to trim any suckers or trim the bushes back or anything. And the flavor was outstanding. So I'm looking forward to this one. I went pretty big on this year. Last year I just bought 10 seeds. Of course, I got some plum tomatoes, honeybee, which is our standard little yellow cherry. Last year I grew Sun Gold, and I'm going back to honeybee. And here's a new one too. It's called Bella Rosa. It's supposed to be a hot set. I'm looking forward to trying this one. So that's our seeds, tomato seeds that we're going to start as of right now. I didn't order any through the mail as of yet. I ordered some peppers, and they'll be here. They're shipping the 18th, so that's about a week. So I've got to get that done. And I'll probably buy some. Our local FFA that I usually buy from, their greenhouse got damaged in the storm, so they don't have any. So kind of put myself in a small bind as usual. So Anyway, I got a new product I'm gonna let's show y'all. I was at Tractor Supply yesterday getting some stuff, or just looking around really, and I seen this, and I'm gonna try it. I mean, it's not gonna be a big deal for me, but if you're just starting a few plants, you might like it. So let's look at it. Yeah, I was standing in line getting ready to check out. I think we bought some, I can't remember what it was. We go down the discount aisle and bought something, and I seen this, and it's a 36 tray reusable seed starting tray made by Burpee. I think it was $11. And what intrigued me about it was it's reusable, of course, but you can pop them cells out. Let's see if I can see this. Got like flexible things. I don't know how good it's going to last or how good it's going to do, but it comes with a little top. Or I guess that's the bottom. You sit it in there. So I'm gonna mix up some seed starting mix, and I'm gonna throw this away, and we'll seed this and see how to start some seeds in here. So let me get my stuff, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got my mix up here, and I'm making my own mix, and this is the first time I've done this, but I've got some peat moss, some perlite, and some vermiculite, and I think it's like a 6 1.5 to half. 6 peat moss to 1.5 vermiculite, and half of perlite. Now I just kind of guessed at it, so I'm gonna mix it up. You can see it here before I get started. This peat moss is real fine stuff. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. So when I did my beets, you know, I covered them in perlite, because I've seen some commercial guys do it, but I don't know if that's not the way to do it, or my perlite's too big, or what. So now I'm gonna wet this a little bit. This is really fairly economical. It's a lot cheaper than buying a bale. I checked on the bale. It's like 50 bucks already made, and I think I'm about, let's see, about $29 on this. Be about, for when I get through, I'll have about 3.5 cubic feet, or 3.2 cubic feet. All right, let me get a little bit more water on it. All right, so I'm gonna fill this up, and I think this is a 36, if I mentioned that right. And the tomato seeds we decided to plant were the red deuce. I need to get them up. So I'm just going to cover these back up with this material here. I'm not going to use the perlite like I did before. If I'd been smart, I would have done it like 3 of them. One with perlite covered, one with vermiculite, and one with just regular old dirt. So, but you know, I'm usually not that smart, so might do it on something else. Let me go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Man, look how tiny them things are. All right, let's see if we can get them in there and out. One more. Got about 10 left, so. I tell you, these things are, this particular variety is pretty expensive. All right, I'm gonna spread this a little bit over. All right, it's our first tomato seeds. So I like that little thing there. Of course, it would be expensive if he's doing I can't afford to do a lot of them though. All right, ready to do send the seed tray. So I'll keep you updated. I got some more plants. I'm gonna go over and get them and show them to you. Just gonna cover these. All right, let me get these other plants. After I get this cleaned out tomorrow, we're gonna plant these. This is a Margot, and it's already got a couple of blooms on them. I'll probably pick those. I got these at the other FFA school, and the old Mountain Spring, which I really like these tomatoes a lot too. So I used to grow these as a field tomato, but we're gonna put them in here for this year. So hope you liked the video. Hit 501 subscribers yesterday morning. I appreciate all that. So we're gonna do a giveaway a week from today. I'll announce it and everything. So I'm getting everything lined up. Going out of town next weekend, so that'd be a good video for me to do. And I'll announce all the prizes and how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna try to do try to do the giveaway live. I'll do the announcement on a regular video, but when we give it away, I'm gonna try to do a live again, so we can see what's going on. But anyway, appreciate everybody subscribing. All my new subscribers are small farms, Southeast Tennessee. We post videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Hey, help me grow by hitting that subscribe button. You can help our channel grow. All you gotta do is hit it. We appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. I personally answer every comment. I personally answer every email. So send me an email, send me a comment if you want to ask me, talk to me, whatever. I'm always available. You can even send me a snail mail. I put my snail mail down in there too, and I'll answer it too. And you know, we might not always agree. You know, everybody has their own opinion, everybody's own way of doing stuff. I'm just showing you kind of the way I do stuff, and I try to continuously learn and try new stuff. So I'm not above suggestions, but you know, just keep in mind we're all on the same team, and I'm trying to get to the end piece of, you know, healthier food for everybody, and that's one of our main goals. You know, we like to raise our own food. So anyway, here we go. I'm rambling. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button, help me grow, please. Look, boom, hit it. Give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment, I'll answer it. Support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.